My name is Tiona Nekkia McClodden. I am an artist and a filmmaker. I think I am someone who chases ideas, trying to figure out what's the best language. Opening myself up to new materials, film, video, whatever, I'll use it. I'll go learn from a master, and then I might come and do something that breaks the form. People do expect you to do the same thing, but I feel like that's kind of a madness. A lot of my work in thinking about Black mentefacts has basically to do with things that are in the head of the people, to try to show and kind of break apart the monolith of how Black people think. I'm always trying to go in and kind of complicate it from the inside out. Sometimes the most radical thing is you moving on what you feel and what you think, and art is a space to allow that.